Grab is focusing our mission in Southeast Asia and drive Southeast Asia forward. We have a very complex environment with all the different culture and regions and level of educations in the Southeast Asia region. We are always constantly put ourselves as technology first, and we have recently embarked on a finance transformation to really revamp how our process work behind the scene, and how do we then provide that kind of capability and scalability for our engineers to scale and provide the best solutions to our consumer.
So Huron has been helping Grab in the past 18 months on the finance transformation. We know the complex technology landscape that you guys have. So when it comes to leveraging automation and AI, we provided a recommendation to leverage UiPath platform, because we know that we needed to find a platform that is very versatile, but is also very flexible, that could work with the complex environment that Grab is in.
One of our first criteria is to make sure that we optimize our productivity, and then making good use of our Grabber skills, and that we will do upskill and reskill to enable and prepare our Grabber for the future state of Grab. In Southeast Asia, we have a region with a very complex culture, diversified languages, and all the different documents and formats that we need to solve, and so that we can transform not just the process itself, but the elements that can improve the way we transact using the finance transformation system. We see a lot of values with the document understanding from UiPath, that we can first solve our bank statements problems that we have always spent a lot of man hours trying to download the statements, then generate them into a readable format into our systems. So that is one of the transformation that we can start off with the journey for Huron.
One piece that is really important to note is that as we are developing the solution, we always have an eye on not just the flexibility, but the scalability in the future, right? So in the whole design process, we want to make sure that the UiPath document understanding workflow is actually seamlessly merged into Grab operations workflow. So we always have the eye on scalability, because we know that Grab is expanding quickly, as well as going into different markets, as well as different business models.
Right, to your point, scalability is one of the main criteria for us to embark into transformation. But it's not just one transformation, we are going to series of transformations within Grab. And only with scalability, we are able to achieve that robustness in our ecosystem. While we are also one tech-first company, we also have a lot of different stacks within our environment. And with UiPath, with Huron, that comes into play, that we can really understand how we can move forward and see how the future is going to bring to us.